Hi everyone! I wanted to provide you with an instructional video on how to complete the flipgrid assignments. So I know in previous semesters that students were really intimidated by this technology if they hadn't used it before. And even if you have used it before, Flipgrid has some really cool new components that I would really encourage you to play around with if you would like. So when you are going to post into Flipgrid, what you'll do is you'll go to the assignment and you'll scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see Flipgrid embedded within the actual assignment details. So you should see your class title. You'll see the title of the actual Flipgrid assignment. And then what you'll do is click on this blue button that says Add Response. When you click on it, you're going to see yourself. Hi! And now you know that it is time to record your video. So what you'll do is you can do a couple things. If you don't want your background to show, what you can do is you can insert your own backdrop. So if you want to just blur out your backdrop, you can do that. If you want to include a different backdrop. So if you see this, let me exit out. My backdrop is blurred, so you can't see anything behind me. You can just see my face. Let's say you don't want the background to show at all. You can, let's do a puzzle room. And then what you can do is close this out. And then you're in a puzzle room. So you don't have to show your background if you don't feel comfortable with showing your background for your video. They have that really cool feature of being able to blur out your background or have a brand new background in order to protect your privacy. So other things you can do are add a filter to yours. So let's see what filters. Let's do vintage. That's kind of fun. Whoa, now we're really playing around with this. So it adds a cool little effect. You can add different stickers. Let's go back. You can add text here and type something in there. You can draw something yourself with the pen. You can add different stickers. You can include a photo, you can do a picture frame. So there's all kinds of really neat things that you can do even before you start to record. When you're ready to record, what you'll do is you'll click on this big circle here and it'll give you a 3, 2, 1. You'll start your recording. You'll pause it when you're finished with it, and then it'll either give you the option to erase and start over, or you can go to the very next step, which would be to take a picture of yourself or to add any effects on your actual picture. So let's just practice. So I'm going to press this. 3, 2, 1. Hi, everybody. I'm going to press pause. And I can either retake or I can go to the next step. So if I want to go to the next step, what I'll do is press next.
Hi, everybody.
It'll show me what I just recorded, and it'll give you the option, which is super cool, to add music if you'd like to, and it'll play music in the back of your video. If you're like, no thanks, no video is necessary, you can, or no music is necessary, you can then go to next. And it will take a snapshot of your cover photo. So that's the picture that people will see once you are finished recording. So If you don't like the picture that it took, you can edit your cover. You can either upload your own photo, a separate photo from your phone or your computer. You can take a selfie. You can select a frame from within your video. So there's all kinds of different ways that you can edit this. If you're perfectly happy with your picture, you can go here to your display name and type your first and last name. And then you can caption it if you want. You can just say introduction assignment and anything else you want to include. You don't have to include your email address if you're posting directly from Canvas. Once you are done with that, you will click on Post to Topic and it will show up. I'm not going to press Post to Topic because I don't want this to show up on your assignment. So I'm going to click Cancel. It'll say, are you sure you want to exit recording? And I will say, yes, I do want to exit. Now that's to post your initial post. If you scroll down, you will see other people who have posted and you can respond to their video. So what you'll do is, this is the video that I've already posted. I will click on this. I will watch it, watch the entire video, but you're going to do that separately. And then you'll scroll down and you can respond. So once you've watched, you can choose 2 other students, and once you've watched their videos, you can record your response in the same way that you recorded your initial post. There I am again. So it's such a cool program. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. So let me cancel this out. Remember, the comments are functioning the same way that you recorded your initial video. So I really hope this is helpful. Remember, you can do this all within Canvas, especially if you are on a computer. It functions best on Google Chrome. I believe there's a way to also do it from your phone by scanning the QR code. So I really hope this is helpful. I hope this helps to eliminate a lot of the stress that students feel when they see a flipgrid assignment. So other than that, reach out to me if you end up needing any other support or have additional questions. Good luck and have fun.